Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your Google Home and the device you want to cast to are on the same Wi-Fi network, because Discovery uses local networking. Open the app or Chrome tab that supports casting. This is where you'll initiate the stream. Tap the cast icon in the app, choose the correct Google Home or Chromecast device from the list, and wait for the confirmation tone or screen change. Once connected, playback will shift to the TV or speaker, so you can control it from your phone. Now control is in your hands. Use your phone as the remote to play, pause, skip, or seek because the app sends commands to the cast device. Make sure to manage volume either from the app, the device itself, or the Google Home app where you can change group volume and audio output. If you need to switch apps, open the new casting app, tap Cast, and select the same device. The stream will hand off. To end, tap the cast icon and choose Stop Casting for a clean disconnect. To finish, stop casting from the cast icon in the app or through the Google Home app, which releases the device. If the device doesn't appear, reboot the router and the Google Home or Chromecast and restart your phone to clear network conflicts. This resolves most Discovery problems. If video or audio stutters, make sure your Wi-Fi isn't congested, update the casting app and device firmware, and move the router closer or use 5 GHz for more stable bandwidth. These steps usually fix playback issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.